Hello everyone. Hello everyone. So in my previous video, like I said, that I am serving notice period. So these are the questions that I am getting in my interviews, and I am just sharing this to help in case if it can help anyone. So let's begin. So the first question that was asked was like, please introduce yourself and include the below details. So basically, they wanted to know the high level project details, the roles and responsibilities that I am performing in my current organization. Second question was like, explain about the record level security. What is Apex sharing and when should we go for it? So this was the second question. Now, in the third question, they asked a scenario based questions related to security. So, say for example, there is one user on a custom object. The user's manager is not able to see the record on by the user. So, the question was like whether it is possible. That's the first question. And the second question was like, in case if it is possible, then how we will ensure the user's manager have access to the record. So think about it. The fourth question was like, what are governor limits? So before I could even complete my answer, the next follow-up question was like, can you explain few governor limit that you are aware of? Then it was followed by, what is too many DML rows, 10,001 error, 10001 basically. Then there was one more follow-up question like, what are the best practices to avoid the CPU time limit? Once I answered that, the next question was, what is a heap size? So these questions were very rapid. Next question was, the what are different types of relationships available in Salesforce? Then how can we convert master detail relationship to lookup and vice versa? Then the next question was, what are junction objects? And then there was a follow-up question which was, what will happen if we delete one of the parent in the junction object? So what will happen to the child? Then I was asked like if I have worked on LWC or no or not. Then once I gave that answer, so the direct question was like, what is pagination, and if I can explain the client side pagination and the server side pagination. Then I was asked the lifecycle hook and lightning web component, and once I explained that, there was a follow-up question. It was, how does it flow in case of parent to child? So if we have parent to child the child in lightning web component, so how does the lifecycle hook work in that case? Then I was asked to share my screen and write a trigger on this condition, which was, say a user is getting deactivated and you need to transfer all the case record that is assigned to him or her to their respective manager. So this was a tricky one. Just try to write. In case if you're having any doubt, you can let me know. I'll be more than happy to share the answers. Then I was asked to write a SOQL query to fetch all the duplicate contacts by email ID. So yeah, that's about it. So thank you guys. These were the questions that I got in the recent interview with Infosys. I think there were a few questions that might have skipped, but in case if I remember, I will be sharing it with you. Thank you.